Hey guys, so I wanted to go ahead and finally film my room tour. I get a lot of questions on where I got certain things. Now, I like nice things, but I also like finding things for a really good price. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my work desk. This is where I edit. This is where I get angry when shit doesn't go the way I want it to when I'm editing. This is where the magic happens. Now to start off with, I got my desk from Amazon. I wanted something white with gold accents. It was difficult because a lot of them were from either $200 to $300 to $500 to even $800, which I was like, bitch, no, I was not gonna do that. I have two frames that I got at Target. It was a set for $35, which I thought was a pretty good deal. Next to my desk, I have my aesthetically pleasing mini fridge. This is a legit mini fridge. It's not my skincare fridge that I have on my vanity. This is a legit mini fridge. And inside, I don't have that much, as you can tell. I have, the essentials: coffee, green juice, and tequila. Something magic in the way that you move. Alright, so I'm living for these frames above my bed. They're from Amazon. They were $35. Pretty much the Prada frames I purchased on Amazon as well for $25. It was a set of two. Everything else was from a magazine. I'm obsessed. My bed set was from Walmart. It always changes. It's always going to be different. I'm never going to keep it the same until I find the one that I'm satisfied with. But this is a temporary one for now. Also, of course, my famous mini skincare fridge, which I love so much. It gave me clout for 15 minutes, which I'll forever be grateful. It's my baby. These glass measuring cups are from IKEA. I'm obsessed with them. They remind me from the ones from MAC. The famous vanity of mine that I'm obsessed with. So for starters, I got the desk from IKEA. It was $135. And then the vanity mirror was from Rain Charm. It was around $350. This vanity mirror is bomb.com. It has built-in speakers. It has 2 outlets and 2 USB ports. This shit is bomb. Now, my makeup, I have the usual. I have, the face stuff. The back, I have bronzers, foundations, powders, everything that pretty much every girl has in their makeup. I'm obsessed with the Marc Jacobs Glow Stick. The NARS Orgasm Illuminizer is bomb if you want to mix it with a foundation to get extra glow. We got our drugstore. We got more NARS because Marshall's had like a bunch of NARS products and I just grabbed almost all of them. And bunch of highlighters, more powders. It's the basics of the basics. And Kat Von D, it's old, guys, I promise. That's my only Kat Von D product I know. And then we got the powders, the highlighters, more highlighters in the back. Literally all Anastasia's in the back. My favorite drawer, and to start off with, it's the Blue Blood palette from Jeffree Star.
Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya?
The shit, I love it. Different shades of blue, super unique. Love the formula. Mwah! Of course, we got KKW all up in there, and Kylie. Duh. One of my favorite palettes ever. I love the pinks. And then of course Mario, Mastered by Mario. And OGs up in here, the Naked palette from Urban Decay. Who remembers when these bitches launched? Everyone went ape shit. My whole drawer, which is my lippies. I love lip products. I will spend all the money on lip products. I love my nudes, besides my real nudes, on my phone. And I love this packaging from one of Kylie's birthday collections. Love it. My vanity chair was from Burlington. I'm obsessed with it. Super comfy. And this is pretty much the overall view of my room. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions on anything else that you saw that I didn't mention and you want to know where to get it, just go ahead and shoot me a comment down below. I'll be happy to respond. I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. Oh.